Praying from the trenches, praying from the benches, trapping through the valley, living on the fence. Got the Bibles in the right, got the guns in the left, got the pack in my pockets, in the shadow waiting dip. Lord, please save me, my path is going hazy, running through the valley, then my spirit going crazy. If I die before the next day, Lord forgive me, I'm just trying to make a way. Hey, Lord forgive me for not knowing not what to do. Although I walk the darkest alley, I feel no one but you. But in this world, real G's do real things to do with that, survive against you and I. God bless the child that can hold his own, running through the valley trying to get up out the zone. The block is hot, but private leads to scandal. Get that bag to handle, while the church is mishandled. Politicians ain't treading up, the cop and killing us. Them haters gonna hate it, but the time is real tough. Gotta go and get it by all means necessary.